Unleash your gaming potential with CyberPowerPC Xtreme VR gaming PC. In the ever-evolving landscape of gaming technology, enthusiasts are constantly on the lookout for the next big thing, the hardware that will push their gaming experience to new heights. Enter the CyberPowerPC Xtreme VR gaming PC, a powerhouse of performance designed to meet the demands of today's most immersive virtual realities and graphically intensive games. With its cutting-edge specifications and sleek design, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme promises to be a game-changer for both casual gamers and hardcore enthusiasts alike. Performance redefined. At the heart of the CyberPowerPC Xtreme lies the Intel Core i9-13900KF processor, a beast of a CPU capable of delivering blistering speeds and unparalleled multitasking capabilities. With a base clock speed of 30 GHz and the potential for turbo boosts up to 52 GHz, the i9-13900KF ensures smooth gameplay even in the most demanding scenarios. Whether you're streaming your gameplay to a global audience or running multiple resource-intensive applications simultaneously, this processor has the power to handle it all with ease. Backing up the impressive CPU is the GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. Equipped with 12 GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory, the RTX 4070 represents the pinnacle of gaming graphics technology, delivering breathtaking visuals and unprecedented levels of realism. From ray tracing and AI-powered upscaling to blistering frame rates at ultra-high resolutions, this GPU sets a new standard for gaming performance. Complementing the powerful CPU and GPU is 16 GB of cutting-edge DDR5 memory, ensuring lightning-fast responsiveness and seamless multitasking. With DDR5 technology, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme is able to deliver higher bandwidth and lower power consumption compared to previous generations, resulting in smoother gameplay and faster load times. Storage and connectivity. In the realm of storage, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme leaves nothing to be desired. Boasting a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD, this gaming PC offers lightning-fast storage access and ample space for your game library, multimedia files, and more. Say goodbye to long load times, and hello to instant gratification as you dive into your favorite games without delay. On the connectivity front, the Xtreme is equipped with Wi-Fi capabilities, ensuring seamless online gaming experiences without the need for cumbersome Ethernet cables. Whether you're battling it out in multiplayer arenas or exploring vast open worlds with friends, you can count on a stable and reliable connection every time. Sleek design, future-ready features. In addition to its formidable performance, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme boasts a sleek and futuristic design that is sure to turn heads. With its tempered glass side panel and customizable RGB lighting, this gaming PC is as much a work of art as it is a high-performance machine. Whether you're showcasing your setup at a LAN party or simply admiring it on your desk, the Xtreme is sure to make a statement. Furthermore, with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme is ready to take advantage of the latest features and innovations from Microsoft. From enhanced gaming performance to seamless integration with other devices, Windows 11 provides a streamlined and intuitive operating system experience that complements the power and versatility of the Xtreme hardware. Conclusion. In summary, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme VR gaming PC represents the culmination of years of innovation and expertise in the gaming industry. With its powerful hardware, sleek design, and future-ready features, this gaming PC is poised to take your gaming experience to new heights. Whether you're a casual gamer looking to dip your toes into the world of virtual reality, or a seasoned enthusiast craving the ultimate gaming rig, the CyberPowerPC Xtreme has you covered. Say goodbye to compromises and hello to limitless gaming potential with the Xtreme VR gaming PC.